Welcome to our guide on using artificial intelligence and logging onto ChatGPT for the first time. If you're curious about how AI can enhance your creativity, productivity, or simply provide answers to your questions, you're in the right place. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that can help you with a variety of tasks, including writing, brainstorming, and even generating code. To get started, the first step is to visit the official OpenAI website. Open your web browser and type in www.openai.com. Once you're there, look for the ChatGPT option, which usually appears prominently on the homepage. Clicking on this will direct you to the ChatGPT interface. Here, you'll find a straightforward layout that is both user-friendly and intuitive, even for first-time users. Next, you'll need to create an account if you don't already have one, or sign in using your Google account. Look for the Sign Up or Login option, typically located in the upper right corner. If you're creating a new account, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and set a password. Be sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After entering your information, you may need to verify your email address by clicking a link that OpenAI sends to your inbox. Unless you intend to become a very heavy user with lots of queries and research, a free account is all you will need. So hang on to your credit card, you won't be needing it for signing up. Make sure you select a free account type. Once you're logged in, it's time to start interacting with ChatGPT. You'll see a text box where you can enter questions or prompts. It's important to be clear and concise with your queries to get the best responses. For example, instead of asking vague questions, try to be specific about what you want to know. The more detailed your prompt, the more informative and relevant the response will be. If you're looking for creative ideas, feel free to ask ChatGPT for suggestions, or even ask it to help outline your thoughts. Finally, don't hesitate to explore the platform. Experiment with different types of inquiries, whether they're casual like, tell me a joke, or more complex, such as, how do I analyze market trends? ChatGPT is designed to learn from your interactions, adjusting its responses based on context. So, the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your preferences and generating helpful responses. The more you chat with ChatGPT, the more it learns what you like, so go ahead, ask away. You can ask the same question as many times as you like, it never gets bored, and you really can't break it. So just have some fun, discover more about a favorite sports team, history, or uncover some conspiracy theories. Whatever you try really doesn't matter. In summary, logging onto ChatGPT and utilizing AI for the first time is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities. You are never too old to get involved. You may just find a new hobby exploring your personal interests with AI. By creating an account, asking detailed questions, and exploring different prompts, you can fully harness the capabilities of this powerful tool. Enjoy your journey into the world of AI and have fun discovering all that ChatGPT has to offer. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful and hit the like button if you found this useful.